Hey guys, I am back with UberChic Beauty's Lovely Leaves 3, and I don't know if you guys are ready for summer to be over or not. The years just fly by these days for me, so I don't necessarily like that time is passing so quickly, but I have to admit that I always like fall a little bit better than summer because I don't like being super hot. So, and of course, I love pumpkin spice everything. So my personal philosophy in life is pumpkin spice all the things. So when fall comes around, it's time for that. But okay, back to the issue at hand, Michelle. All right, so beautiful leaf patterns here for just about any kind of technique that you want to do. So you've got positives and negatives. You have things you can one pass. You've got things that like this that you could lead light, and that would be super easy to go in and lead light and have some beautiful effects with a few different colors, leaves over a gorgeous gold, or a gorgeous even silver background. This would be, you could do this for any time of year, and the colors that you stamp it in could determine whether it's a fall look or a kind of a Christmassy look. Same thing with this. I think this could be cute for spring. It could be cute for all different kinds of things depending on the colors that you use. We've got a negative space here, so you can let those beautiful hollows shine through if you want to. And some more that you can either do just one pass, or you could lead light and then some of the smaller matching ones to go along with it. This to me looks like rosemary. I think it could also look like pine, so you could use that for Christmas manis if you don't have a pine image. I think that would really work well. This to me is the kind of thing that I love over like smoosh manis or gradients. So you could do gradients of different shades of green or of different fall colors and then just stamp that over, and that would be a beautiful, beautiful effect. This is also great for tropical, so I would throw those together for summer without any issue at all. This to me looks like kind of like leaves with a little bit of wheat or something in back, so you could stamp that in like yellows and golds and I think do a really beautiful fall harvesty kind of mani. This, of course, you can do for, with fall colors, but this also, the pattern makes me think of Christmas. So I think gold over any kind of Christmas color with that is going to be adorable. Of course, my absolute favorite thing about this plate is the triple stamping image here. So you've got, she suggests white, and then you stamp this over it in black, and then you put whatever leaf colors you want over that. Of course, if you want to do a winter mani, you could just have this over this. You could have this in green over dark green. You could have it in brown, a brown and a dark brown. So, it doesn't have to be this, but I like that she does give you that suggestion. I think with the white and the black, I think that's a beautiful winter look, in my opinion, for just, without any leaves even on it, or with, even if you did want to stamp some leaves. But so I think you can do this for fall, you can do it for winter, and I love the triple layering that you get, so you can get some real good diversity of colors in there. All right, so her full length images are 1.7 across and 2.1 up and down. And here is a look with some centimeters and inches for those ones in the center, so you can get a feel for how big those are. And then let's go do a couple of looks. All right, before we get started, I just wanted to show you this, which I did with the tree image from the plate. It's I've been wearing it a few days, so it's starting to get a little chipped, but just another idea for you there. All right, let's dive in. Okay, so top coated, let's recap the looks. Here's this first one. I love this. I think this is a great kind of wintry look. I wanted to try some looks that weren't all just fall. And in that same vein, I think this is a beautiful Christmas look. So definitely you can do lots of different things with this plate. And then here are the trees, which my color choices were not exactly perfect. And my stamping, you can see there's a tiny bit off, but like I say, you can see the same thing here, and you can see how well it works when you use similar colors to what she suggested, like silver and black instead of the darker colors, although I do still like that. Okay, so as always, a great quality plate. I will link everything down below, and thank you for watching.